All right, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their TENS and EMS device for relaxation anywhere, anytime. Now, this is a TENS device, which is basically a muscle simulator. So what this will do is you're able to put it on your muscle and basically it'll like whatever muscle it's on, it'll make it move. So like if you were to put it on the right spot on your arm, your fingers would move and stuff like that. This one seems to be powered by 3 AAA batteries. We'll have to let you know if those are included. And it's actually made right here in Peachtree Corners. Wow, that's pretty cool. So tips, each wire should be connected to a pair of pads. Customer service info. Let's open it up. So these kind of look like heart monitors in a way. That's the only way I know how to describe it. So you got this little thingy, and see this little thingy takes your batteries right there. So 3 AAA batteries, currently not included. We'll have to see about that. That looks like it clips right on your side. This would peel off to be removed from the screen, and each of your items just plug in up top here. Oh, and buttons with information on what each button does. Then there we go. Oh, look at that. They included the batteries. Here's a little bit of a quick, well, not really a quick guide. This is 37 pages, but very nice full. A guide showing you all the information you should need to know about this. And then that's it for in there. You can see, here are your pads. This looks like a little carrying case they include for you. Very simple, it seems. So you're able to literally take each one of these. So let me at least put half of it together for you. So you take your pads out, you know, they have their gooey stuff on them, and you're literally able to plug these into here like so. And then you just plug this one into your channel here, and you control it all from right here. So that's essentially everything that comes in this TENS EMS device. As you can see, you can hook up 4 of those there, and they give you 4 cables with, of course, enough pads, and so you should be all set, including your AAA batteries. So again, thanks to the company for sending this my way. That'll do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.